Well, how y'all doing? It's PawPaw again. Good to see y'all. Man, you talk about something nice. I gotta show this to you. This is just about as nice a item as any company has ever sent for me to review and to give one to one of you lucky viewers. Somebody is going to win one of these things. This is a product by KIMO, K-I-M-O. And wait till you see what's in this bag. Oh my gosh, this thing is awesome. Let me turn this down where you can see what we're doing here. Oh yes. Well, here's the first hint. We have a battery pack charger. We have 7 impact sockets. Well, what would you need an impact socket for? I guess to go with this most awesome cordless impact wrench. And this thing is supposed to be able to deliver up to 250 pounds of torque, foot-pounds of torque. And let me tell you, this little feller is tough. I'll demonstrate it here in a minute. And what else is down in here? 3 half-inch drive extensions. 3 of them. About a 2-inch, a 4-inch, and probably might call that a 10. And instruction manual for the model 3603B brushless impact wrench. Now, I've never had one of these, and I always thought, wouldn't that be the stuff if I need to change a tire? Well, you'd say, well, obviously this ain't gonna break a big old lug nut loose on my big truck over there. Now, I did try this a few minutes ago before making this video, because if this wasn't going to work, I was just going to tell you it won't do it. But by golly, took that one off. And if you've ever been out there needing to change a flat tire, do you know how handy this would be instead of having to fool with your lug wrench out there? There it is. Let's see if we can get another one. Now this one's rusty. I've not tried this one. By golly, it did it. I'm impressed all the heck with it now, I'm telling you. That sure make life easier. We've got the duffel bag, the instruction manual, the impact wrench, the battery pack, the charger, 7 impact sockets, and 3 extensions. And I tell y'all what now, I review a lot of products, but I ain't got a complaint about this thing right here, not one. Well, I take it back. I did tell the folks at KIMO that sent this to me. I said, of all the sockets you could have not included, you did not include the most often used metric. Oh, by the way, these are metric. You did not include the most often used metric socket in the United States, and that's a 10 millimeter. Let me tell you the ones that do come with it. Well, what is included is in these 7 metric sockets is, I believe it's 9, 11, 13, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, and 21 millimeter. They, for some reason, they chose not to use a 10 or a 14, which we use a lot, here in the United States. But this is a 1/2 inch drive, and will accept any 1/2 inch drive sockets that you want to use. I did want to tell you now, this is an impact wrench. This is not an impact driver. A driver is used normally like to send in long screws and bolts and stuff. This is a wrench that's used for heavier duty applications. Your impact driver will have a 1/4 inch drive. Your impact wrench here is a 1/2 inch drive. So this is for your heavier duty work. Well, folks, I am very pleased with this thing. I can't say enough nice things about it. It's not super heavy. It feels good in your hand. The battery underneath it helps keep it balanced. And I have used it, I don't know what all I've used it on here working on this boat. But, you get right in the middle of something, and I don't always have my camera handy to set up and say, ooh, look what I just tightened up with this, or look what I just took apart with that, But I will tell you that this is a daggum nice impact wrench. Use a 20-volt lithium battery, and I'm going to include links here where you can get you one. Make sure that you watch my live stream this coming Saturday night. I believe that's the 17th. Yeah, I believe it's, the 17th, 8:30 p.m. Central Time. Get you an opportunity to win one of these. Make sure you watch the whole video. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Get you one of these things. They nice. Okay, let's talk about the rules and how to win your own. I'm telling y'all what now, this is nice. Rule number 1. You got to be a subscriber to my channel. And you've got to have your settings, your privacy settings set, at least during my live stream Saturday night. You got to have it set so that if your name is chosen, I can see by going to your page on YouTube that you are a subscriber. So, you got to let your subscription status be shown, okay? I got to know you're a subscriber. That's 1. 2, you must be present to win. You gotta be watching the live stream Saturday night, the 17th. It'll start around 8 or 8:30. The actual drawing will be right at 9 o'clock. You will subscribe, watch the live stream, and you must leave a comment on this video, because this video is where we will be selecting the winner, okay? And there's going to be some secret information you're going to have to be able to include in your comment. And in that comment, you've got to include the word KIMO, KIMO, as well as some other important code words. Make sure you watch all my videos posted from Monday morning through Friday evening, because your comment has got to include KIMO and some code words. When I draw your, if your name gets drawn at the live stream, I'll be looking at your comment, and it must have KIMO and some super secret code words. So make sure you watch all my videos this week. Good luck, everybody. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye, everybody. The secret code word is impact. Secret code word is impact. Bye.